everybody, it's Melissa from Melissa's Creations, and I wanted to take the time to come on here and tell you guys about the paper pumpkin deal that you can get free items when you get a paper pumpkin subscription. So not only are you going to get an amazing kit delivered to your door every month, but you can also, during sale-a-bration, get some free items, some amazing products in our sale-a-bration brochure. I'm going to show you right now how to get that prepaid paper pumpkin subscription and choose some amazing free rewards just for making that purchase. So when you're on my website at melissascreations.com, all you have to do is click on Shop Now. That will take you to my online store, and once you're there, you can scroll down to the paper pumpkin logo on the right, or you can click on the paper pumpkin link on the left side of your screen. You're going to see a couple of ways to subscribe. Now there's two different methods. You can do the monthly subscription where you get charged each month and your kit delivers to you and all of that good stuff. Your extra perk for being a subscriber is having access to a selection of past kits and refills. You can order more of your favorites online while supplies last. It's also a great way to get an idea of what types of kits are sent out in the paper pumpkins. So that's the first method, is a monthly subscription. But if you get a prepaid subscription, you get to redeem the rewards for sale-a-bration. So if you got a 3-month paper pumpkin subscription, you would get one free item from the sale-a-bration flyer. If you did a 6-month, you get 2 free level 1 items. Or, new this year, you could get 1 free level 2 item. I'll explain that more in a minute. With a 12-month or a 1-year subscription to Paper Pumpkin, you can get 4 free level 1 items from the sale-a-bration flyer, or 2 level 2 items. So let's dive in and figure out how to get this going. All you have to do is click on the prepaid subscriptions link at the bottom of that page. Once you're there, it will show you your free items that you will be eligible for depending on which subscription you choose. Let's go for the 1-year subscription for Paper Pumpkin. All you have to do is add this to your bag, and once you view your shopping bag, you can come down here and you see all your special offers. You get Paper Pumpkin What a Gem 50% off. Clearance rack, don't forget to check that out before you check out. Your Paper Pumpkin pass kits and refills, you can go and purchase those right now. And we've also qualified for 1 or more free sale-a-bration items. So it says here we have 4 level 1s or 2 level 2s remaining. Let's check those out and see what they are. If we scroll down, you'll see 2 different buttons. A $50 purchase and a $100 purchase. Let's check out all the $50 items that are free with our purchase. Check out all of these awesome stamps and paper. We also have some great kits that you can pick up. These are some awesome products. The Party Pandas are one of my favorite, along with lots of lavender. So many great items to choose from. Let's go back and see what our level 2 rewards are. So we have some Celebrate You Thinlits dies, also available in French. And then we have the Happy Wishes stamp set right here. So beautiful. Look at all these stamps that you get. That is a lot of happy stamping right there. So many different sentiments. That is a gorgeous set. Let's add that to our bag and continue shopping. Let's pick up a couple of those level 1 rewards. So if I did my math right, I can choose 2 of these. I'm going to get the Amazing You, add to our bag, continue shopping, and I want to get some of this awesome shimmer ribbon. Let's add that to our bag, and then we'll view our shopping bag. And here it is, 1-year Paper Pumpkin subscription and 2 level 1 rewards and 1 level 2 reward. That is some pretty awesome stuff that we just got for free just for signing up for Paper Pumpkin. Now, you can also check out the What a Gem kit and get it 50% off, along with choosing any of the past kits. Let's just go through and take a look at these. Here's the entire What a Gem kit. Now, this isn't just the refill, it's the whole kit, and it's half off for you. Here's the refill kit, which is also half off. Make sure that you pay attention to the details and the title of each of these. You can get them in kits or just the refill kits. The actual kit still includes the stamps and the ink spot, and the refill kit only includes the consumables in that kit. Lots of great options. Let's throw one of those 50% off kits in our bag too. Let's view our bag. Now, check this out. We have earned $22, just over $22 in Stampin' Rewards just for getting some things that we wanted, and for getting an awesome subscription, and for getting some free stuff. That's awesome. You can spend that $22 in Stampin' Rewards on anything that you'd like. You can spend it on getting your own starter kit to either become a hobbyist, a kitnapper, or own your own stampin' business. Or you can use it towards basic supplies like adhesives. You can get some cool stamps. You can get anything that you want that is available on the website and in all of our catalogs. So be sure that you take advantage of this amazing deal. Once you hit the checkout button for your Paper Pumpkin prepaid subscription, you'll be emailed a code. That code can be used to redeem that subscription. If you have any questions on how to do that, let me know and I would be more than happy to help you out. Let's make our Stampin' Rewards go even further. All we have to do, we're like a little over $25 away from a $250 shopping bag. Now, that might sound like a lot, but you're getting an entire year of surprise craftiness delivered right to your door with that Paper Pumpkin subscription. So let's just add a few more things that will help us to get even more crafty and use those supplies. So we definitely want to make sure that we have some adhesives on hand. Now, Paper Pumpkins typically come with all of the items that you need, but it's always nice to have a couple extra things in case you want to do something different with the supplies that you receive. Let's add on a fast fuse, which comes with 13 yards. I'm going to add that to the bag, continue shopping. I want to make sure that I get a refill. And the refills come with 21 yards, almost 22. Add that to the bag and continue shopping. Now we're just $9 away. That's easy to get a couple more items. We're gonna definitely add some glue dots, get those into our bag. And we're also going to add some regular dimensionals. Stick those in the bag as well. All right. Now we've made it. We're at $250.25. We just got there. So now that we've added those items, our Stampin' Rewards have doubled. We're now at $50 in free items. Because we got our shopping bag up to the $250 mark, we doubled our rewards. The standard rate is 10% up to that amount. And then during sale-a-bration at the $250 mark, you get an extra $25 in rewards. So that's a pretty sweet deal right now. So I'm telling you what, guys, we got a lot of stuff for our money. I'm not going to go through showing you all of the free items you can pick because you can pick anything. So that is the best deal ever. Because we got our shopping bag up to that $250 mark, we also qualify for one more free sale-a-bration level 1 reward. Oh my goodness. Let's go ahead and redeem that right now. And we're going to get the beautiful peacock because that stamp set is so beautiful. So let's add that to our bag as well. and then we're going to view our shopping bag. So let's do a recap. We got 1 year of Paper Pumpkin. That's a full 12 months. Every month, a subscription will be delivered right to your door, and you'll be able to take about 20 minutes out of your day to relax and get crafty. You don't even have to think about a project that coordinates, because everything in that box will be coordinated for you already, and it will be so wonderful to just sit down and craft away. We added a couple of adhesives, which you can use on lots of projects. You don't just have to use them on card making and scrapbooking. Some of these items I have actually used in my home to hang up posters and do other odds and ends. I make candles too, so I took my glue dots and I used those to stick them down to the bottom of my containers. There's lots of uses for these adhesives rather than just using them on your scrapbooking and your stamping projects. And we got 1 level 2 item for free and 3 level 1 items for free. We also picked up our What a Gem kit at 50% off, because as a Paper Pumpkin subscriber, one of the greatest perks is being able to get all of the past kits that are currently available on the website. We also have $50 in Stampin' rewards to redeem, and we can redeem that for any current products on the website or in the catalogs. That is a pretty amazing deal. When you think about it, we're well over our $300 value. We're probably closer to $400 value with all of those free sale-a-bration items and those $50 in Stampin' rewards. That is a lot of free stuff just for getting our Paper Pumpkin subscription and a few extra pieces to help us with our crafting. I hope that you learned some valuable information on how to stretch your Paper Pumpkin dollars this sale-a-bration season. I'd love it if you shopped with me. If you don't already have a demonstrator of your own, you can head right over to melissascreations.com and click on Shop Now. Remember, if you spend over $150, don't use my current hostess code, because you will qualify to get these awesome Stampin' rewards. If your order is under $150, I encourage you to use my hostess code, and I will send you a hand-stamped thank you card the following month. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed. If you have any questions or if you need help placing an order, I would be more than happy to assist you. If you're interested in joining my team, Sale-a-bration is the perfect time to do so. I would be happy to talk to you about all the perks and benefits that come with signing up on my team. I hope you have a wonderful day, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.